Hi, I thought I'd try something a bit different this month. If this is helpful, I might do this more going forward. But today I want to show you a feature of the tastenewburg.com website that maybe you've overlooked. It should only take a minute or so. So we're going to start up here at the hamburger. That's what we affectionately call our menu. And I'm going to go down here to the fourth item, and that's Plan My Trip. Click on that, and the instructions that I'm going over today in this video are all here. But also I wanted to show you down here at the bottom is the suggested itineraries. If I click on that, we have curated some things that you might want to do if you come to Newburgh. So that's there, and you can come and read that anytime. So I'm going to click on Taste Newburgh here and get me back to the home page. And I want to plan a trip to Newburgh. And so let's see, the first thing I'm going to probably want to do is go wine tasting. And so I'm going to scroll through our list of wineries, and I come across Anam Cara. Well, that's a very nice winery, and I understand there's some very good people there. So I'm going to click that heart. And what that did was it just saved it to my favorite experiences. So I'll show you what that means here in a moment. But I've picked Anam Cara, and now I'm going to continue scrolling. And let's see, I see this guy. He looks pretty trustworthy, and he looks like a pretty nice van. Be nice not to drive. So I'm going to click that one too. And scroll a little further, and Brick House, my favorite Oregon winery. I love their wine, so I'm going to click that. Let's see, I need a place to eat. I'm hungry. And I'm going to scroll through the list here, and let's see, what do I want? I think I want to go to the New Burgundian Bistro. I love that place. So I'm going to click that. Need a place to stay, and well, can't beat the Allison. So there, click that. So now all of these have been saved to my experiences, and I'll show you what that means. I'm going to go up here again, click on the hamburger, and click on Plan My Trip. And the instructions that were here on the right are now replaced by my list, my personalized, curated list of places to go visit. And not only that, but they're over here on this map, so they're easy to find. So I might look through this list. I can come back to this list a month, a year, whatever later, and it'll still be here. And I might decide, I no longer want to go to Brick House. If I click the heart, it goes away. So I wanted to show you that. And now I can also, a couple other things, I can share this. This is a custom URL specific for my list. I can copy it, and now I can send it an email to friends and ask for their input. I can also go over here and click this button, and what this will do is it creates a PDF of this page in my list and downloads it to my hard drive. So I can print that out and take it with me, or I can share that with friends. The last thing I need to show you is that you may decide you want to clear your list, and the way to do that is to simply go through and click all the hearts. So now we're back to the original state of this page. So that's what I wanted to show you. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, always feel free to track me down. And thanks for your time.